Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change account password on booking.com. So to change your account password on booking.com, follow these detailed steps. The first thing you need to do is to launch your web browser and visit booking.com. Once you do that, if prompted, just follow through the on-screen instructions to log in. After logging in, you'll be taken to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of options to have an exciting time on booking.com. Now, once logged in, go ahead and click on your profile name, which is at the top right corner of the screen. And you'll be provided with a couple of options, which include manage accounts, bookings and trips, Genius Loyalty Program, rewards and wallet, reviews, saved, and sign out. Go ahead and click on manage accounts, and that's going to take you to the accounts management window. On the account management page, look for the security settings option, which is here. So you have personal details and security settings. Now go ahead and click on security settings, and that is going to walk you right into the security settings page. On the security settings, look at the option that is labeled password. So here you have password, you have two-factor authentication, you have active sections, and you have delete account. So head over to password. Now reset your password regularly to keep your account secure. All right, so right next to it, you have the reset option. Go ahead and click on reset. So to change your password, you need to send a reset link to your email address. Now go ahead and open your email address for this email that you use in registering for booking.com. Once you open the email address, follow the link and use that link to reset your password. That's because booking.com is very security sensitive. Now, once you follow the link, you'll be taken to a page where you can now change your password. In there, enter your current password in the first field to verify your identity. Next step, type your new password in the second field. Ensure it meets the password requirements. Example, minimum character, length, use of special characters, and just all of that. Re-enter your new password in the third field to confirm it. So whatever you entered in the second field, just repeat it in the third field to just confirm your password. After that, click on the Save or Update Password button to apply the changes. Once you're done, a confirmation message will appear indicating that your password has been successfully updated. Log out, if need be, of your account by clicking on your profile name and selecting Sign Out. Then log back in using your new password to ensure the changes were applied successfully. If you have forgotten your current password, you can reset it by clicking Forgot Your Password on the login page and following the reset instructions sent to your mail. For security reasons, avoid using passwords that are easy to guess and update your password periodically. Now, these steps will help you successfully change your account's password on booking.com web app. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope in this tutorial marvelously helped you search.